Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how to, go through everything on Instagram and use it. So first and foremost, if you can connect your Instagram with your Facebook, and that way you can follow your Facebook friends. But since I don't really have any Facebook friends on this account, I'm not gonna. You can add a phone number. If this is your business, you definitely want to add your phone number. That way people will be able to contact you. And finally, you want to add a profile picture. So we're gonna be adding our fake NFT as our profile picture. And there it is. There's our profile picture. And now if we go to profile, you can see we can edit profile a bit more. You can add your bio. I'm just gonna add a bio. Hello. Something like that. And then I'm just gonna add a gender. And it's gonna be custom because it's gonna be, yeah. So we're just gonna make the gender AI. So that's gonna be the gender, and yeah, that's it. And you could similar account suggestion, including your account when recommended similar accounts you might want to follow. It's up to you if you wanna use this or not. But what this does is, as straightforward as it is, it's what's written. So it will recommend you similar accounts which you might want to follow. So now let's go back to home. As you can see, we're not really following people. So next thing you want to do on Instagram, let's follow a few people. Let's follow Nike. We can follow Cristiano. We can go Kendall, The Rock. Just follow the people you want to follow. I'm just following random people over here, but yeah. And then you can, this is search. Basically, if you want to search for someone, who can I search? Tom Holland. Yeah, let's search for Tom Holland. So, Tom Holland. And there's his account. And we're gonna follow him as well. So, there's that. And if someone messages you on Instagram, you want to go press on this and you can see if anyone messaged you. Since no one really messaged us, there's nothing here. And over here, if someone likes or comments, you can see it by pressing on the heart. You press on the heart and there's going to be a summary. See, someone already started following me. I'm just going to follow them back, so why not? So it's going to come up here, all the feed. And you can also if you press on explore, you can see what people in your area, like in your country, you're gonna see everyone's public post. And yeah, you can search for stuff. And here's another thing: if you type in a hashtag and then type in something like Spider-Man, it's gonna show you all the hashtags of Spider-Man. So any post that had a hashtag Spider-Man, those are gonna come up, as you can see. Okay, I don't know. Most recent. So anything that's related to Spider-Man, it's gonna come up here. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.